You're in the kitchen, not true.
Oh, you know? Because me hear the fork and the spoon on the plate. Oh!
Cause me don't wonder.
Naughty. No camera never in the house. Respect your privacy, you know. Okay, good. Cause to my time, me walk up and down in the house, new kid. I can imagine. Bubbles is a different kind of eating a Jamaica, you know. The summer look like it's a go wicked. It starts already. By the way, all class them go. The corporate class are going good, but them have administrative issues with the course. What kind of issue?
There's still not starting to deal for your revision class.
You in touch with Dr. D? Yeah, but she said she would have called you and talk to you about it. Me not getting a call from her.
I think I should have called her.
I gotta do that. So is everything on your side? Good enough. I'm glad I decided to come over here come to the program. I learn a whole heap. Hurry up and come on, man. I miss you. I miss you too. So, how's the food over there? Let's put it this way. I can't wait for reach home to get some good yard food in my system. A yard food alone you want in your system?
What you mean?
You don't want nothing or nobody else in your system? You don't say you get very rude, little girl. Come on, Bubbles. I know you must miss Mr. Savage. When me tell me miss everybody, him did include it too, you know. But no.
But you miss him different, not true?
Yes, Tonian. I miss him different. Well, Andy, him tell you what happened between him and Shepherd? Yes, sir. Him tell me what happened. Me don't know what happened, cause me never hear Savage say nothing. But him just couldn't talk. Boy, Tonian, I just think that Shepherd can look for you sometimes. I know say you think it. Well, I don't know when I gonna stop further in. Me either. So where you say Shepherd come up there for? Him usual vision, but it's not clear. Him wanna walk with diaper.
Diaper? For what?
Him say we must know it for. T, you sure you're alright? What you mean? Yeah, one day I'm pregnant?
Yeah.
No, me good. What about you? No, my love, me up on my monthly, so me know me alright. You not worry about Kareem? Well, I can never be too sure, you know, but I'm not sorry for nobody. I guess we'll have to just wait and see. You ever worry about Savage? Just like you, me not swear for your soul. Time will tell. I'm nervous. No worry yourself. Diaper signifies a life coming into this world. At least another D1. Well, that's true. Everything else alright though.
Yeah, man. So far.
Just out of curiosity. You get reinstated yet? Not fully, but me hear some other assignment that come up. You know if it have anything to do with Tony? I doubt it, but I think Mr. Mullins are going to keep me away from that case there. I hope you don't feel no way about it, you know. No, you know. But I'm glad I'm still a part of the agency, so I'm happy with anything we get. Big man thinking that, Timothy.
Yep. Me I grew up.
Alrighty. Me go done tidy up the place here. And then hit the sack. Come have a long day tomorrow. Alright, Agent B. Thanks for calling.
Did hear you about Agent B. You hear from quicker, Brittany?
Yes, sir. In come out of hospital in a week, and them said the surgery was successful. But them say I'm gonna need therapy.
Well, that sounds good.
Couldn't have some studio sessions for those, so you might spend a day or two here.
Well, at least it now go cost her for pay a nurse for stay with him. Cause I'm gonna stay with family.
Exactly. But that one you never tell me say I come here tonight.
Who that?
Whisper.
Oh, tell him say me go call him tomorrow.
Alright.
Alrighty, go and go and get business. Me go finish the one I do later.
Alright, bubbles. Later.
I know you're scared sometimes. Don't know if you're wrong or right. You've been doing things you never thought you'd do. Taking it day by day. It seems like you lost your way. Even when you win, it still feels like you lose. I wish that you could see what I see. You're so much stronger than what you think. No sleep, 'cause if you do, then you
I know when something happened to you, you know. Talk to me. What about it?
I'm here on Patsy's star.
Trouble in paradise. How I going? You're not getting enough sex.
Nah, man. If I did that alone, oh good. But I with Destiny.
Really? So what happened with you and Destiny?
The advice for she give her as a stepmother, me not approve that.
Like what?
Destiny fight the other day at school, you know.
Fight?
Well, it wasn't really a fight. But she punched the little girl in her face.
Good. That sound more like it.
Tony, this serious, you know. And that make me and Patsy in an argument. Look, Patsy I encourage her to fight anybody with trouble her.
But Whisper, she have to learn to defend herself.
Oh, this man, the whole on are the same thing. And a police or a soldier she a train for, you know. She in a school.
So what that mean?
It means she have to learn to resolve matters in a different way.
But Whisper, you're supposed to know that some of them pick me up a bully.
I know that. But more and Destiny learn how to use other methods to quash them things then.
So what Patsy do?